Our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is Joe Boucher out of Branson, Missouri. And man, he has a great story. Now, Joe bought a brand new Z28 in 1973, but he says he quickly came to realize that because of government regulations, the car was way down on power. So he set out to change that and worked on modifications between 1975 and 1978. But as these things often happen, life got in the way and Joe put the car in storage. And there it sat for 38 years. In 2017, Joe got back to work on the Camaro with some help from his mother. Joe says that his mom, Italia, helped him with everything from sourcing parts to helping change out the engine and transmission. Bruised knuckles and all, she was amazing. Now, Italia has since passed away, but Joe says he's realized her goal was not to actually build a cool Z28. It was all about building a great relationship with her son. Well, mission accomplished. Joe says, "I'll never forget that most special time we shared together building my dream car so many years ago." And Joe says he's acquired other collector cars over the years, but the 1974 Z28 is his favorite, not because it's the best car he's owned, but because he and his mom built it together. Now, Joe went to MotorheadGarage.tv to tell us his story, and if you would like to do the same, you could be our Motorhead of the Week presented by PaintedAutoParts.com. Just tell us why you or someone you know should be deserving of that title. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com, so do not go anywhere.